Welcome to the TPC Desktop Getting Started video series. In this video, we're going to show you how to start a new survey. So let's assume you've just installed Traverse PC. You've double-clicked the icon on your Windows desktop, and Traverse PC opens you up to what we call the desktop that you're looking at here. So to start a new survey, let's pull down the File menu and choose New Survey. Traverse PC opens up the survey information dialog box, and the first thing we want to do is give this a file name and a location. I like to use the Browse button. Traverse PC opens up your default survey location, and you can change this to anywhere you want on your local computer or a network file server. I'm going to create a folder called 2015 for all my 2015 jobs, and inside that I'm going to create one called 2015-117. So this is the folder for job 2015-117. I can use whatever convention I want, and I'm going to use that same name for my Traverse name, 2015-117, and choose Save. So I have a folder for everything for this project, 2015-117, and I've started a survey by that name. If I have any correspondence with the client, any raster images I need to bring in, any PDFs that I produce, all that can go in this folder. It's just kind of a great way to do that. Now, I'm going to press the F1 key here. F1 is a context-sensitive help key that says, I'm in this survey information dialog. So let me just go ahead and open this up, and I see that every field that's in the dialog has some information about it. So down here at the bottom, it says the information you enter here can be included automatically in any drawing or template via drawing variables. So I can click this link to learn more about it, or I can come back up here to the job ID and say the job ID you enter here is added automatically to the drawing view title block. Oh, so let's go ahead and enter a job ID. Let's put in 2015-117. While we're at it, we can enter any additional information we have about our coordinate reference system if we're using one. Enter information about yourself, your license, and again, that same information can show up as a drawing variable as well. Any project factors, user definitions, your default setbacks for lots. All of this is stored with the survey file. So once we've got the information in here that we want, we've selected our units, put in information about the client, address, that sort of thing. Let's choose OK. And Traverse PC creates that survey for us and displays a little hints dialog. So it tells us how to get started by adding a traverse or a drawing or importing data. Let's just go ahead and close this out. And I want to open our drawing view and just create a default drawing called Drawing 1. And we'll just use the default template here. The default template opens a title block for us, and I want to zoom in on here. And let's just talk about what we did in that survey information dialog. So let's open that back up. We entered a file name, and the file name without the path shows up in the title block for file name. We entered a job ID, and that job ID shows up also automatically in the title block. So these drawing variables are a great way for me to get information from the survey into a drawing. And really that's all there is to starting a new survey inside of Traverse PC. At the top of the desktop, it tells me the survey that I have open. And as we'll look at in a moment, the Task Manager shows that survey as the last open Traverse. So anytime I start Traverse PC, I can come to the Task Manager and click it to reopen it and continue work on it. So it's pretty easy to start a new survey in Traverse PC. And now we're ready to go with the next lesson on using the TPC desktop.